So no music, no one clapping. Today is a day Omegaman came to your school. I took the dream breaker bat. I placed it on my leg, and I broke every bad choice. Today, we take the challenge. Every day, we make good choices. No music, no one clapping. I want you to hear the sound as today we break the bat, the dream breaker bat. Watch this. Shh. Listen, watch it. Listen. Shh. Did it break? Should I quit? Should I give up? I do know this. If I keep pushing, and I keep pressing, and I keep believing in myself, it's gonna... Today, when you took that challenge, you put it inside you, and you took the pledge, you know what you're doing every day now? Young people, you're doing this. Every day, you come to school with a smile on your face, a good attitude, ready to learn. You do this every day when you come to school. You're pushing all those bad choices aside. You're saying no to being a dream breaker, no to being a bully, no to hate every day. And you're pushing by making good what? And when you push and you press and you believe in yourself, everyone say, yes, I can. And when you push and press and believe in yourself, you're going to see great things happen in your life, great results. You're going to see that B up to an A. You're going to see a change in attitude. You're going to see a change in how you treat others around you. Why? Because you start pushing. You start living that dream maker life. But let me ask you a question. Would a good friend do this to me? Omegaman, you can't break the baseball bat. You weak Omegaman, you can't break it. Is that a good friend? If I'm having a hard time, what would a good friend do? A good friend would do what? Help me. So, watch what I'm going to say. Here's some Omegaman wisdom. Watch this. Watch this. When you see a friend struggling, maybe in the classroom, maybe they got the answer wrong, maybe they didn't pronounce the word right. You don't make fun of them. You don't say, you got the answer wrong, you're not smart, you can't say the word right. That is not a good friend. You don't put someone down like that. You know what? A good friend, you encourage each other. Always uplift each other with your words. Encourage your friends if they're struggling. You know what? I'm struggling. I'm having a hard time. I know you're not going to put me down. I know you're going to help me. So everyone with a small, soft, whisper voice. Everyone say this. Whisper this. Whisper this.